everybody. Good morning and welcome back to the Florida Life. We're up here at the beautiful lake. We're kicking it in the car. There's the girls. Alrighty, getting this thing opened up. It's a little on the chilly side this morning. Not as cold as it was yesterday. I'm kind of slack on the vlogs a couple of days because I was busy uploading and editing and everything. So thank you for your patience while we get some more put together for you. As always, I ask, whatever content you guys like to see added to the vlogs, please comment below so I can make that happen. Alright, y'all, we shall be back shortly. Alright, we're back. It's getting nice. It's starting to get nice out finally. And, hey, you two know what these are?
Railroad track. Railroad track.
Look how big they are.
Oh my gosh, bigger.
Ever been up this close to a railroad track?
No.
Nah, leave the rocks alone.
This is wrong. What if...
Alright, come on.
This was
We're on an adventure.
We're
Check out some
taking a
things.
rock. We're taking a rock on the brown...
Stay out of the middle. Thought this was a walkway, not a driveway.
This is a walkway. This is a walkway.
Could have swore it was a walkway. It's okay. Not everybody behaves in the land of milk and honey.
Like you, Alan. You don't behave.
Yeah, but I don't go off-roading onto a walk path.
Nothing on the walk path. When we're not supposed to be on the walk path.
No, you walk on the walk path. You get back out here in the middle. Alright, so somebody was just kind of being
A little anxious.
a little excited about off-roading, I guess.
Picked up on the yellow bricks, man. No, we can't. No, we can't. Yeah. I don't want to step on yellow bricks. I'm playing a game. It's a little game. It's called Don't Touch the Bricks. Don't touch the yellow bricks. I'm not touching these yellow bricks.
Just to let y'all know,
I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna get Elise to get Instagram in my phone, so we can get some more Instagram shoots. Because there's an opportunity for Instagram shooting. I don't have Instagram on this phone, so it's kind of a bummer.
I didn't step on it. We won! Yay! We got through.
Hold on a second. I think I hear something.
Me too. I think it's coming from there. That was coming from here. I'm on the railroad.
I thought I heard something.
It's a train. It's a train.
All right, get off the tracks. Back up. Back up. Get off the tracks. Stand behind the white line. Behind the white line.
Are we gonna go on the train? Yeah. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. I'm gonna go right here. Stop, stop. Stop. Where is the train?
There it comes.
It's coming.
I really wish I wouldn't drive on brick roads.
We're gonna go on the train. Can we go on the train, Alan?
Remember, stay behind the white line.
So we can go on the train?
No, so the train can pass safely.
I didn't want to go on the train. We went.
Behind the white line.
I'm so excited. Train. But people are gonna ride it. People are gonna really ride it. People are gonna ride it, Daddy. Probably real. And you got to wear pajamas. I'm wearing pajamas.
Yeah, I see you.
I can't get on this.
Trying to find a way in. I can't go that way. Let's go around. Let's find another way in.
I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, here we go. No, that's the tires. That's the tires. No tires. What's up here?
Stick your head in one of them holes.
No.
Yes, so I can take a picture. I'm gonna do it. I'll do it. Look.
I'm gonna go down the rainbow. Let's go! You go first. I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go back up here.
having ourselves a little bit of lunch here. What do we got, Kylie? We got loaded fries, huh? Well, bacon, cheese, and French fries. Is it good? Good? So we're doing our thing, hanging out. Got some food. Ooh, excuse me. Got some good video footage all around the lake here. And here soon, we'll be leaving out of here and heading home. So we will see you all later. Hey y'all! I found the end of the rainbow. Only thing is, it's not a pot of gold, it's a sprinkler. Or a water fountain, what do we call it? But I found the end of the rainbow. Ain't no gold. Somebody got it already. We're home and how's that? And getting ready to get cleaned up, ready for work. Had a great little adventure. Got to see a train leave out. Got to walk alongside of it. Also got to see one of the seaplanes getting ready to take off. And then had some fun at the park. So it's been one heck of an adventurous day. So now it's time for just had fun. Now it's time to have no fun and go to work. Yay! Alright, y'all. Hold on a second. Let's show you what she's doing. Well, I'm all gussed up. On my way into the job place. Yay! Today's been a lot of fun, a lot of exploration, some new places, new areas that we went into. And never went over that way, and I found a lot of stuff, including that little tiki bar, which has some of the best of the loaded fries I've ever had. Definitely some of the best. So I gave them a great rating. So if you're ever out over by Lake Dora in Florida, check out the tiki bar over there, and it's really good stuff. But so by the seaplane area there. So hope y'all having a great day. Sun's out, 75, and I shall be back. Alrighty, we're back. It's been a long and busy day. I'm wore out. Getting ready to hit the hay. So, y'all know what to do.
Another update. I did my hair. What do you think of it?
Comment below if you like the collar.
It's supposed to be reddish brown. Hold on. See if you see it right there. You see it?
Mm-hmm.
Supposed to be reddish brown. Didn't quite take, because I got the black right here, so, keep getting stuck with that black.
Well, comment below if you like it.
The only way to get rid of the black is to bleach my hair. That should be fun, shouldn't it?
Yep.
And if I bleach my hair, I may go bolder. How bold do you think I should get?
Everybody so far that I've asked has said go all the way. So pick a random collar down and comment below. And what color you think might be in the future. Anyway, y'all know what to do. Hit that red button down below if you haven't done so already. Hit that bell notify icon. And give a thumbs up. And always don't forget. Nice friendly reminder here. Public service announcement. Have a wonderful, endless summer.